Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today I'm making a creamy tofu quiche. But before we start, let's prep the tofu. Drain off the liquid, then wrap it in a paper towel and gently press to remove excess moisture. Change the paper towel a few times, keeping the tofu in the fridge between changes until it's mostly dry. This step makes the quiche feeling creamier and more well seasoned. And for this recipe you will need a small diced onion, half a cup of bell pepper green and red, granulated garlic, turmeric, granulated onion, fresh diced garlic, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, olive oil, 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk, fresh spinach, and cherry tomatoes for topping. After changing the paper towel a few times, your tofu should look soft and pressed with no excess water, just like this. Add the pressed tofu to a food processor or a tall jug, along with the granulated garlic, granulated onion, the flour, and the turmeric. And also 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk. Start pulsing the hand mixer slowly. If you think it needs a bit more liquid to come together, add another tablespoon of milk and continue blending until it's smooth. After a few minutes of mixing, the tofu should be creamy and smooth, just like this. Heat the olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the diced onion and cook until soft and fragrant, followed by the fresh garlic. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook until their moisture has been released and they begin to brown. If you wish, add a dash of black pepper and salt to taste. Continue stirring the mixture, and then you'll be adding the spinach and cook until just wilted. This will be followed by the green and red bell pepper. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that button so you don't miss our weekly videos. Once the vegetables are cooked, fold them into the tofu mixture until everything is well combined. Place the pie pastry in the baking tray and poke it all over using a fork. This helps your quiche bake evenly with a smooth top. Pour the filling into the chilled pie pastry and smooth the top using a spatula. Arrange the cherry tomato halves evenly on top, sprinkle with goat's cheese for extra crunch, and into the oven it goes. Bake until the quiche is set and lightly golden on top. Allow it to cool for about 10 minutes before slicing, so it sets nicely. Thanks so much for watching Cooking with the Darlings. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!